and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make Rainbow Cloud Jello. So colourful. Look at that, amazing. So we start by making some jelly. Red jelly, using cubes and 40 millilitres of boiling water. But whether you use cubes or powder, just follow the instructions on the packet. Give it a mix. And your jello is ready to pour into your cup. So we've poured that in, we're going to let it set. And meanwhile get 1 teaspoon of gelatin and 3 teaspoons of boiling water, give it a good mix. And add 1 tablespoon of double cream to that. Mix till smooth. And then add a couple of spoons of that on top of the jelly. Chill until solid. And meanwhile, let's make another colour. We're making orange jelly, this time using powder. Pour a little bit of that on top up to the next mark on the tape. Chill until solid. Then add a couple of spoons of cream jelly. Spread it evenly. Allow that to chill. And let's do the next colour. Yellow this time, using cubes and 40 millilitres of water. Mixing till it's all dissolved. And then pouring it on to the next measuring mark. Once that's set, you can add on your cream jelly mixture, 2 spoons. And then keep going, we're doing green jelly. Then our cream mixture. And some blue jelly. Up to the next measuring mark. Let that set and again add your cream mixture. And finally, we're making purple jelly. This is going to top off our Rainbow Cloud Jello. Chill the whole thing until it's solid, and meanwhile we will get the decoration ready. We're using a chewy sweet like a Nyam Chew and pressing in some coloured sweets. They look like Smarties or they could be Skittles. Then using some buttercream icing, 2 dollops, 1 on either side, we're going to place our rainbow chewy sweet. And there you have it. Buttercream icing clouds, Nyam Chew candy rainbow, and super colourful jelly. Oh, and don't forget the cream. Rainbow Cloud Jello. Amazing. Enjoy!